Guys, welcome to our week 9 class video. We're going to go ahead and jump right in with your technique exercises for today. And the technique items that you are going to be doing are the 5 types of 7th chords progression, which is on page 135. And we're going to be doing it in the keys of C, D, E, and F. So if you want a little warm up to that, go back to last week's unit and we had those 7th chord progressions on the first pages of our unit 7. So definitely go ahead and take a look at those if you need a little bit of warm up for this activity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play both hands together, our 7th chords, and I'm going to call out the chord quality and the interval quality. So I'll call out major, triad, major, 7th, then we'll step down to major, triad, minor, 7th, and so on and so forth, just like that. So calling out basically the triad and the interval type on the outside to give you a good idea of that, and we'll be doing that in C, D, E, and F. So let's go ahead and jump right in with that. So we'll start on C major. Here we go. Major, triad, major, 7th, 7th comes down to major, triad, minor, 7th, 3rd comes down for minor, triad, minor, 7th, 5th comes down for diminished, triad, minor, 7th, 7th goes down again for diminished, triad, diminished, 7th. Great, and then we're going to go ahead and just step up to D. So to start out with, we'll have our top note will be the C sharp to make it a major, triad, major, 7th. Here we go. Major, triad, major, 7th. 7th goes down to major, triad, minor, 7th. 3rd goes down for minor, triad, minor, 7th. 5th comes down to diminished, triad, minor, 7th. 7th goes down again for diminished, triad, diminished, 7th. Stepping up to E, D sharp on top. Here we go. Major, triad, major, 7th. 7th goes down to major, triad, minor, 7th. 3rd goes down to minor, triad, minor, 7th. 5th goes down to diminished, triad, minor, 7th. 7th goes down again to diminished, triad, diminished, 7th. Great, and then we'll finish up with F. All white keys to start with. Ready, go. Major, triad, major, 7th. 7th goes down for major, triad, minor, 7th. 3rd goes down to minor, triad, minor, 7th. 5th goes down to diminished, 7th, minor, triad, 7th goes down again, diminished, triad, diminished, 7th. Perfect. So that is all you have to do for your technique exercises this week. It's just those chord progressions, that's all. And so you're gonna go ahead and just practice each of those. Again, feel free to use the warm-ups that are at the beginning of our previous unit, and that'll be really helpful. And then you can go ahead and try hands separately and then hands together. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the pages in our unit 8 this week. So over to page 105, this is the secondary dominant progression at the bottom here that we did for your technique activities a few weeks ago. So you can go ahead and try the other progressions that they have, the first 3 on this page. If you want a little bit more practice playing some of those additional secondary dominants, that would be a great thing to practice going through each of those, particularly the 8-3 on the middle of the page, which has our 1 chord, 5-7 of 4, 4, 5-7, 1. And that's really useful because the 5-7 of 4 looks like a 1-7. it's not a 1/7, it's a 5/7 4, but it looks like 1/7. So kind of getting used to, you'll see that in your music. And if you can kind of get familiar with that being a secondary dominant progression, that would be great. So then we'll turn over and take a look at page 106, and you have some technique activities over here. We have playing dominant 7th arpeggios. So like we have on the top with our C dominant 7th arpeggio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And doing that in F and G as well. So I would definitely go ahead and try each of those with your right hand first, then your left hand, then even try them together if you feel so inclined. And then on the bottom of the page, we have 2 technique activities to practice reaching the thumb down when playing our 5/7 chord in the chord progression. So like, oh my God. So just practicing playing those progressions there, jumping the 1 down and moving your thumb around easily in those. So I would definitely go ahead and give those a try and then try them in the minor keys as well. And then we'll go ahead and jump right over to our solo rep on page 108. And I'm going to go ahead and play this one through for you, hands separately to begin with, and say the finger numbers out loud, and then we'll try it hands together. So we start out with a long octave tied in the left hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. 1, 4, 3, 5. 3, 2, 3, 5. 1, 3, 2. 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. 1, 3, 2. Careful for the trills. 4, 1 trill, 5. 1 trill, 5. Trill, 5. Trill, 5. Trill, 5. Trill, 5. 1, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. 1, 4, 3, 5. 3, 2, 3, 5. 1, 4, 3, 2, 3. Switch to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5. Switch to 2, 5. Awesome. And then we'll go ahead and try just the right hand alone. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. 5, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. 4, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 1. Here's how it goes, hands together. reading activities that we have available. And for all three of these, they have a transposition that is suggested. And each of these utilizes one of our secondary dominant chords. So 1 and 2 utilize the 5 of 5, and then number 3 utilizes our 5, 7 of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate for you all three of these with the transposition. For each one, I would go through and practice hands separately first, and then try these hands together with the transposition. But I'll just demonstrate them hands together in the original key and transposed. So here is number 1 in the original key of G major. Here we have it transposed to F major. So everything goes down one step, and we're going to add in our B flats. And so just to remember that our 5, 7 of 5 is going to become a G7 chord in the key of F. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. And then here we have Jingle Bells, number 2. Here we are in the original key of B flat major. Here we go. And then here we go in C major. Wonderful. So then I will go through and play the last one, number 3, on the second page. And here it is in the original key of E flat major. And then we'll go down to D major. So we have 3 harmonization activities on page 110 through 111. The first one on 110 and the Red River Valley on 111 have blanks for you to fill in the chords, which we have done in class. And then number 2 on the top of page 111 has the Roman numerals written in for you. So each of these has a transposition available. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to demonstrate Red River Valley, playing right hand alone, then left hand alone, then together, then transposed, right hand, then left hand, then together. And you will follow those same practice steps for the other ones as well. So here we go with just the chords for Red River Valley. Ready, go. 1, 5, 7, 1. 5, 7, 1, 5, 7 of 4, 4, 5, back to 1. And here's the right hand in B flat. 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. 1, cross to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. Hands together. Here we go. 1, 5, 7, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 7, 4, 4, 5, 1. Here's the chords in C. Here we go. 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5, 7, 4, down to 4, 5, 6, 5, back to 1. And here's the melody in C. 1, ready, go. 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. 1, cross to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, and both hands. Here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 5, 7, 1, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5, 7, 4, 4, 5, 7, 1. Great. And so you'll follow those same practice steps to complete the other harmonization activities and then choose which one you would like to turn in for your weekly assignment. So turning the page, we have two transposing instrument parts on page 114. We have the top, which is for B-flat clarinet, and the bottom one, which is for flute and E-flat alto saxophone. Page 115 is a choral score reading, and this is going to be what you're going to turn in for the exam next week. So we're not going to go over that one for today, but I will play through the two transposing parts that we have on page 114, and you will choose one of these to turn in for your weekly video assignment. So for the first one, the Colonel Bogey, you're just going to play this one step down to transpose it to B-flat clarinet. So here we go. Ready, go. Careful here. Back to the beginning. Great. And then lastly, our Now the Day is Over at the bottom of 114. So if you just think about playing your E-flat alto saxophone part as reading that in bass clef and then just one octave up, and then adding our key signature of B-flat, super, super simple for this one. So here is this one, both parts together.
we have for this week. So for your assignment, you're going to turn in your 5 types of 7th chords technique activity, C, D, E, and F. You're going to do one of the 3 reading exercises, one of the 3 harmonizations with transposition, and then you're going to do one of these 2 pages, or one of these 2 exercises on page 114. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. Be practicing for the exam next week, and I'll see you next time.